Hey everybody, this is Mikey from Smartphone 101. We're going to show you how to install Flash on your iPad or iPhone. First, we're going to open up Cydia. Alright, once we're in Cydia, you're going to go to your Sources tab, click Edit, click Add. A little pop-up's going to pop up for us to type in the source. I'm going to go ahead and paste it, but source is repo.bnm.at. Okay, click to add the source. It's going to verify the URL. Depending on how many packages are in the source, it could take, this process could take a little bit of time, so we'll just let it verify. Alright, it's starting to update the source. It's downloading everything it needs. Let it keep going. Yeah, I wish Cydia was more user-friendly. Alright, now it's reloading. It's got everything it needs. So, whenever it feels like it's ready. Yep. Alright, so it's pretty much done. Turn to Cydia. From here, we're going to go to the Search tab, and we're going to be able to search for Frash, not Flash, Frash with an R. So F-R-A-S-H, loading. Should find the package, Frash for iOS. Click that. You're going to click Install. And confirm. And it's going to download. It's a pretty big file, so we're going to skip the download process. Alright, now it's installing it. It's running the package. It doesn't take nearly as long as downloading the file. Thank God. Okay, now it's reloading. You don't need to restart your Springboard. I did, just because I want to be safe, but you don't have to. It doesn't make you. So you return to Cydia and go back to your Springboard and should be good. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. Make sure you like our video and subscribe and visit us at smartphone101.com. Peace!